Concurrency of altitudes of a triangle. The lines containing the altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. What that means is that they all intersect at the same point. Remember, if you have an acute triangle, then the lines of the altitudes are concurrent inside the triangle. For a right triangle, they're concurrent on the triangle, and for an obtuse triangle, they are concurrent outside the triangle. Also remember that you need to draw some of those little kind of like ghost lines to extend your obtuse angle out further. So that when you do draw the perpendicular lines or the altitudes from the angles, that you have some perspective. And then when you are drawing your concurrent, or when you're drawing your altitude from your obtuse vertex to its opposite side, it's going to stay inside the triangle. So you have to extend that with those ghost lines outside the triangle. And that's going to create your point of concurrency outside. And this is only for an obtuse triangle. But notice that you will still have that point of concurrency. And your point of concurrency for altitudes is called an orthocenter.